Good afternoon from Bali, Indonesia. So today I'm here in the Sanur area of Bali, and what I'm going to feature in today's video for you is a fabulous collection of brand new businesses right here in Sanur. Okay, so today's video is going to feature a nice collection of brand new businesses that have recently opened here in Sanur. This is part 4 of my new businesses here in Sanur. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drive around all the streets of Sanur. I'm going to pick out all of the new businesses that have recently opened here in Sanur, and I'm going to take the camera inside and give you a look around and let you know what you can expect from these new businesses here in Sanur. Now there's many restaurants going to be featured in today's video. I shall take you inside the restaurants, give you a look around. I shall also include the menus and prices where I can, and just give you a general idea of all of these new businesses that have recently opened here in Sanur. So without any further ado, let's go and get started and share with you the brand new businesses here in Sanur Bali. Okay, so this is where we're going to start the new businesses here in today's video. This is a brand new place just opened today called KALUMA Sanur. So there's the name up above. You can see all these welcome to Sanur and congratulations messages just to prove it's absolutely brand new. And then here's the impressive look of the start and the entrance to KALUMA. So we'll start from left to right. We'll move in and zoom in on the left first of all. So just over here we have a beautiful collection of wooden tables and chairs, soft cushion seating on the chairs there. These are actually lights on the table here. You touch the top, 3 different light fittings all along the side there. And then just from this area here we have another beautiful area here in the back with a collection of tables and chairs all the way down there. And now we'll come back out here, and this water feature in the front there. There's a coffee shop in the back there, however that still isn't quite finished. That'll be finished in the next few days. Beautiful garden outside seating area here. Just moving over to the side here we have this artificial grass area. So just in the back there we have like a co-working area, beautiful collection of tables and chairs, also plug sockets for your laptops and things. And then just turning back in this direction we have another beautiful collection of wooden tables and chairs all along there. Nice big collection in the middle here also. And then just in the back here is a main bar area. It's air conditioned also in here. And then just over in the back here we have an inside seating area. This is also air conditioned. Slide the door. Oh, there's another nice seating area inside there. Okay, so we're just going to show you some of the offers here at KALUMA Sanur. We have an offer one there. Now we'll take you and show you some of the menu. So here's some of the salads available, some snacks there. Just show you some of the food here also. And here's some of the drinks, soft drinks, milkshake, fresh juices, healthy juice, mocktails, many different options available there. Here's all your beers and tequila, gin, vodka, rum, many different options available. And then here's another offer also. Okay, so just on the main street of Jalan, Tamblingan, opposite the JHOII Hotel, we have a brand new place here called the MOZZA Restaurant. This is a fabulous place. We'll take you around and show you inside. Okay, so as soon as we step foot inside, we have a beautiful seating area right down the middle, beautiful light fittings, nice seating area over to the left here also, some beautiful light fittings there also. Same here again on the right hand side, have some seating right next to the street of Jalan, Tamblingan. There's a close-up on your tables and chairs, and then we just walk through and show you in the back here. We have another beautiful collection of seating all throughout in the back here, beautiful light fittings on the back wall there. and then just turning around in the back there is a main bar counter area. Okay, so we'll just show you some of the menu here at MOZZA. Here's the meats menu. This is the popular section here. So have another one on the opposite side. Okay, so here's some of the drinks also available here. We have some soft drinks, some frappe, some beer there in the bottom. Here's the signature cocktails also. Okay, so just here on the street of Jalan, Tamblingan, opposite the hotel accommodation of KALUMA Suites, we have a brand new PERMATA bank, so there's no longer a PERMATA bank in the central Sanur area. Okay, so just here on Jalan Sudamala, we have a new place called DENISE and Luchette, I think that says. It's a French themed restaurant. I'll take you and show you the name first of all and give you all the details. There's the name at the top there. It's a soft opening, so it's just opening this place. There's all the details on the board down below. Have a menu at the front. We'll take you and show you that after. We'll take you and show you the seating area first of all. Beautiful collection of tables and chairs here. Beautiful light fitting decorations all above there. Nice big table and chairs here. We have some swinging seats also there. Oh la la, will you take a look at those? Now we'll take you inside the restaurant. So we carry on with the beautiful theme of the light fittings up above there. Nice decorative light fittings. Beautiful collection of wooden tables and chairs here throughout. Also some soft sofa cushion type seating. Our bar counter areas in the back there, and then we have another beautiful collection of seating also in this direction. We'll just take you over and show you this area in the back here. Here's the name again on the beautiful decorative wall in the background there. And then you have a beautiful seating area here also, featuring a sofa and some soft cushion seating chairs. Okay, so here's some of the menu here, just to give you an idea of what's available. Here's some of the starter menu. And here's a look at the drinks list also. Take into consideration this is new, this isn't going to be the full menu here at the moment. Okay, so we're just here on Jalan Poso. This is a new place called House of Fries. This is the street of Jalan Poso. Nice seating area outside. Take you around and show you inside. Show you today's special menu. And just as soon as we step foot inside, we have a nice collection of wooden tables and chairs, some soft cushion seating on the chairs there. There's a counter area in the back. There's a look at your menu of all the different kind of fries and sauces available. Also some food to go. Okay, so just opposite this side of the street from House of Fries, we have a place called JHOII. It's a very nice, unique building style this. Getting beat up by the motorbikes. There's the opening hours on the door. We'll push the door and take you around and show you inside. So just inside we have a beautiful collection of tables and chairs over to the side there. Some beautiful words on the wall there. And then there's all the tables and chairs there. To give some idea of what's on the menu here. Okay, so just out here on the bypass Ngurah, we have a place called Nick's Place. It's the bypass. 20% discount on all the food. collection of wooden tables and chairs here at the front. And now we'll take you through the doors and show you inside. So as soon as we step foot in, hello, good afternoon. As soon as we step foot inside, there's a counter area, kitchen area to the left, air conditioned, super cool in here. And then just in the back here, we have a beautiful collection of tables and chairs. Some nice soft seating in the back there, collection of wooden tables, wooden chairs, soft cushion seating all along there, and another air conditioning unit in the back there. Okay, so here's some of the menu here at Nick's place. Here's some of the drinks. Okay, so I'm just out here on the bypass Ngurah, opposite Hatton Wines, over the bypass there. We have 3 brand new places here. In the corner there, Gangnam aged meat Korean barbecue, AISIS spa, and then just in the corner here we have a place called Gangnam Chicken Club. So there's the name up above, Gangnam Chicken Club. Take you around and show you inside. Just open the doors now, push. And some of the beers available here on the sign there. I'll take you to the left first of all. There is some customers inside here. Nice seating area on the side here. And now we'll just take you for a walk through. Some beautiful decoration on the back wall there. Nice collection of beautiful tables and chairs all through the middle here, and a counter area in the back there. So here's some of the menu here, just to give you some idea of what's available. Nice pictures as well also, and all the different sauces there. Chicken boneless here. These are very big portions. And then there we have some chicken wings, looks delicious. All the different sauces available. And then just one more, this looks very special. Look at those hot dogs there. And then they also have a different collection of drinks as well, some beverages there. Also alcohol, many different alcohols available, and also some fresh juices. Okay, so just from Gangnam Chicken Club, next is this place. This is a spa. I'll take you around and show you inside. So we've just been given permission to show you in here. Beautiful decoration on the wall there. These are all the spa rooms here. We're just going to take you around and show you in spa room number 1. So as soon as we step foot inside, we're greeted by these beautiful beds, ideal for your couples massage here. Have some lighting on the wall. It's air conditioned in here. Turning around, we have a different collection, a cabinet there featuring a different collection of all the oils that you can have here. And just in here we have 2 sliding doors. A nice little bathtub in the back there. Beautiful mirror decoration on the wall. And then we have a shower in the back there. Okay, so just next door to our spa here, now we have a place called Gangnam aged meat Korean barbecue. Some seating here outside. I'll take you through the doorway now into the restaurant. Some beautiful picture decoration on the wall there. And just from a picture decoration on the wall there, we have a beautiful collection of tables and chairs here, very unique. Looks as though you cook your food on the table. It's air conditioned in here, super cool. Beautiful collection of tables and chairs all throughout. There's a counter area just over in the back there. And we have a collection of tables just the same all throughout in the back here. Also some beautiful decoration on the side there. And there's the name. Okay, so here's some of the menu here, just to give you some idea of what's available. Beautiful pictures as well. Have the Wagyu there. Have tongue here. Some more here. Okay, so that concludes today's video. What an absolutely fabulous collection of brand new places featured here in Sanur, featured in today's video. Hope some of you get the opportunity to come and pay these places a visit during your holiday here in Sanur Bali. Hope you've enjoyed the video, hope you've found the video useful, and I shall say bye for now.